Let's embark on a delicious journey, shall we? Our destination, the bustling heart of a Kit Kat factory. But first, every good recipe starts with the right ingredients. For our beloved Kit Kat, we begin with the essentials: creamy milk chocolate and crispy wafers. Think of the chocolate as our star player. It brings that smooth, melt-in-your-mouth texture and rich flavor. We use real milk chocolate, the kind that satisfies your sweet tooth with every bite. Next up, our trusty sidekick, the wafer. These thin, crispy layers provide the iconic crunch that makes a Kit Kat. They're like the unsung heroes, adding a delightful textural contrast to the smooth chocolate. And of course, no Kit Kat is complete without a dash of sugar for sweetness and a pinch of salt to balance the flavors. Now that we've met our stars, let's head to the factory floor and see them in action. Welcome to the mixing room, where the magic begins. Imagine giant vats, like something out of Willy Wonka, filled with molten chocolate. The chocolate is carefully tempered, a process that involves heating and cooling to achieve that perfect snap. Meanwhile, in another part of the factory, the wafer batter is being prepared. Flour, sugar, and a touch of yeast are combined to create a thin, pourable batter. It's like making pancakes, but on a much larger scale. The air is thick with the aroma of chocolate and baking, making your stomach rumble in anticipation. Now, let's move on to the next stage, where the wafers take shape. Our wafer batter embarks on a journey through a mesmerizing machine. Picture a conveyor belt, but instead of luggage, it carries a continuous sheet of thin batter. This sheet glides through a giant oven where it's baked to crispy perfection. The aroma intensifies, filling the air with the irresistible scent of freshly baked wafers. As the wafer sheet emerges from the oven, it's cut into precise rectangles, ready for their chocolatey destiny. These golden brown rectangles are the foundation of our Kit Kat, and they're about to take a delicious dip. Section 4, Chocolate Waterfall. Enrobing the wafers, prepare to be mesmerized. The baked wafers now take a dip in a cascade of glorious, flowing chocolate. Imagine a chocolate waterfall, but instead of rocks and water, it's a river of smooth, melted chocolate cascading over our crispy wafers. Each wafer is completely enveloped in a generous layer of chocolate, ensuring every bite is a perfect harmony of smooth and crunchy. The excess chocolate drips off, creating that signature Kit Kat shape we all know and love. It's a chocolate lover's dream come true. Section 5. Cooling and packaging, from factory to your hands. After their chocolate bath, the Kit Kats need a little time to cool down and harden. They take a leisurely ride through a cooling tunnel where the chocolate sets, creating that satisfying snap. Once cooled, these perfectly formed Kit Kats are ready for their final destination: your hands. They're inspected for quality, then swiftly wrapped in their iconic silver foil and bright red packaging. From there, they're boxed up and shipped to supermarkets, vending machines, and candy jars all over the world, ready to satisfy your chocolate cravings. And that, my friends, is how the magic happens. From humble ingredients to a beloved treat, the journey of a Kit Kat is a testament to the power of simple pleasures.